So guys, we're on a little overnight trip. We're heading up Whitewater Canyon, on the other side of Red Dome, up the riverbed to, sorry for the wind, for an overnighter. It's really windy. We just had some rain, and we can do this. Yeah, we just passed Red Dome. We're probably going to go about maybe another mile past Red Dome and set up camp. Very cool. What one little rainstorm would do. Now we're just looking for a campsite. Check out this rock. Pretty cool. Let's see. No clouds are coming. Called a quesadilla burger, a Susan original. That's Susan's quesadilla burger. So when we were here a couple weeks ago, this was all flat. No river. Well, actually I can't say no river. This is where the river was going into the ground. Okay guys, this is where the Whitewater River goes back underground. Right here. Check this out. There's no water here, but you can still hear it running. Don't know if you guys could hear that, but it's really weird. The ground is, you can hear the water running under the ground. Just exploring up Whitewater Canyon. Okay, we're back at camp. Probably hiked half a mile up canyon from here. First time eating Mountain House biscuits and gravy. Not bad. Not the best, but not bad either. Susan's having 3 cheese lasagna. a Alpine Air. Christina, what are you having?
Lasagna.
Oh, Christina's having the Mountain House lasagna with meat sauce. And the lens is a little dirty. Sorry, gotta clean it. There it goes. Let's camp at night. Well, we survived our overnighter here in Whitewater Canyon. We heading out, just having a quick breakfast, Pop-Tarts, getting everything torn down. Beautiful morning, not too cold. Picking up trash on the trail on the way out. Part of our duty of using the land. And Mylar balloons are the worst. Susan's not known for her river crossings. Alright, coming to our third river crossing. First little hill. If you like what you guys seen, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's Susan.
Hey.
You have fun, Susan?
Yes, I did. I loved it.
Enjoy your little backpacking trip into the backcountry.
Especially the river crossings.
Yeah, 6 river crossings, which was pretty fun. So guys, if you're hiking with your dogs, don't leave your dog shit on the trail. Pick it up, carry it with you, take it to a trash can. Don't just leave it on the trail. Thank you.